While most gadgets these days have battery-powered batteries, Microsoft's Xbox or PS5 regulators actually utilize a couple of AAs out of the crate. Assuming you're utilizing the Duracell batteries that accompany the regulator, or comparable quality batteries, you're probably going to get many long periods of playtime prior to trading them out. All things considered, certain individuals favor battery-powered battery packs, so they don't need to continue to purchase bunches of AAs. We've gathered together the best charging stations and battery packs for Xbox regulators or PS5. Involving standard AA batteries, all the ideal opportunity for your Xbox One or PS5 regulators can be expensive and awkward because of the reality batteries aren't modest. In any case, you have another choice: charging stations. Charging stations can be utilized to endlessly re-energize the regulator batteries that accompany them. So all you really want is a one-time buy, and you won't ever have to stress over repurchasing more AA batteries. There's a great deal of good content available for charging stations, however the Fosmon double charging station is the best one generally because of its gigantic most extreme recess per charge, firmly quick charging time, and smooth appearance. In this video, I recommend 5 best controller charging stations. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the NexiGo brand. Package including 2x2550 mAh Xbox One controller battery pack. The rechargeable battery pack for Xbox One controller provides you 18 to 25 hours long playing time but only needs 4 to 5 hours charging time. With 2 battery slots and upgraded battery capacity to extend your gaming time, and never miss a second of gaming. The controller charger station for Xbox One/Series XS has 2 individual cool LED indicators. Green light for the status of standby or fully charged, and when it starts charging, it will turn red. The unique and visualized X-shaped charging indicators with soft light shows you the charging status but won't bother your playing or rest. The controller charger dock for Xbox One batteries pack is designed for Xbox One, Xbox One X, Xbox One S, Xbox One Elite, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S. The charger and battery kit for Xbox controller is equipped with 4 controller battery back cover, 2 for X1 X, S, Elite and 2 for Xbox Series X and Xbox Series X. How many times have you had to interrupt your game because the disposable batteries suddenly run out, and how much money it would save to say goodbye to using AA batteries? Our eco-friendly 2550 mAh rechargeable battery pack for Xbox One can be recharged over 2000 times, and there are 2 charging ports and 2 batteries. You can always prepare for your game. Say goodbye to the disposable batteries to save your money and time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Fosmon brand. Are you bothered by your controller running out of batteries when you're in a critical part of a game? With 2 controller slots, 2 1000 mAh rechargeable batteries, Fosmon's dual 2 controller charger provides you endless gaming time without having to worry about running out of batteries. How many disposable batteries have you thrown away? Have you thought of how much money it would save to say goodbye to using AA batteries in your controllers? With the NiMH battery's 1000 mAh capacity, you will be able to enjoy up to 30 to 33 hours of playtime on each charge. Fosmon's batteries are SGS certified to ensure our products consistently meet safety standards and provide the best customer experience. Fosmon's dual 2 charging dock makes it easy to charge your controller. Simply place your controller on the charging dock and the controller will align with the metal conductor and start charging. The charging dock can house your controllers when not in use, making it easy to locate them when they're needed. Fosmon Dual 2 charging station compatible with Xbox Series X/S controllers is built with an intelligent charging board that provides the charging dock with overheating and short-circuit protection. The battery charger will stop charging automatically when the batteries are fully charged. There are 2 LED indicators to indicate the charging status of each individual slot. Number 3 in our top is from the OIVO brand. Specially Xbox controller charger with 2 Xbox battery pack rechargeable to refuel dual Xbox controllers in less than 2.5 hours simultaneously. It's a great Xbox play and charge kit for all Xbox controllers and gamer. Package including a controller charger station and rechargeable batteries for all Xbox remotes. The rechargeable battery pack for Xbox One is a perfect replacement kit for you, and the rechargeable Xbox One controller battery pack can be charged separately. Only takes 2.5 hours to charge 2 Series X rechargeable battery. Say goodbye to AA batteries, cycle charges over 3,000 times. OIVO controller charging station dock for Xbox One with both rechargeable battery just takes 2.5 hours to charge fully but provide up to 20 hours of playtime. The controller charger for Xbox Series X lasts a long time, ensuring you will not have to constantly swap out battery packs mid-gaming session. This controller charger station with rechargeable battery pack for Xbox Series X features 2 LED charging indicators showing charge status. Red light is charging, green light is fully charged, standby. The dual controller charging stand for Xbox Series X provides you a convenient and comfortable way to store and charge your Xbox controllers. The charging station dock with 2 rechargeable batteries featuring overcharging, overheating, overvoltage and short-circuit protection. The controller charger station with battery pack rechargeable for Xbox keeps you and your devices safe. You don't have to worry about damaging the controller, even if you forget to remove the battery in time. Number 2 in our top is from the NexiGo brand. Upgrade direct charging and eliminated the USB dongles. This NexiGo charging dock is designed to charge 2 DualSense controllers at the same time. With 5.3V 3A power adapter, the PS5 DualSense controllers can be fully charged in under 3 hours. Save your time and get more fun. The built-in intelligent chip provides intelligent overload protection, protects your controllers from overcharging, overvoltage, overheat, and short-circuit. A must-have PS5 accessory. LED lights on the top and the bottom will flash when the controller is charging. The orange light shows the charging is in progress and the light will be turned off automatically when the controller is fully charged. With NexiGo Accessories Kit, the PS5 controller provides better control, which reduces hand and thumb fatigue. Makes the PS5 controller more comfortable and sensitive, increases precision and aim. You can actually feel a good difference with this accessories kit for the PS5 DualSense controller. The number 1 product is part of the OIVO brand. This PS5 controller charger station is specially designed to connect with designated AC power adapter and charge double PS5 controllers at the same time. It's a must-have PS5 accessories for PS5 gamers who own dual PS5 controllers. Will keep you in games longer with PlayStation 5 console. This PS5 charging kit is the best replacement for OEM official PS5 DualSense charging station. Due to the ports of Cradle are made of copper connector, this PlayStation 5 charging station is safe and fast to charge. Combine the custom 5V/3A AC adapter with this PS5 controller charger and they can provide a maximum charge. Charging up 2 PS5 remote control in just 2 hours, quickly, safely for optimized charging. Say goodbye to PS5 charging cable, PS5 controller holder stand, tidy and sleek docking station compatible with PlayStation 5 DualSense controller, charge and storage 2 controllers simultaneously. Meanwhile, color matching the PlayStation 5 disc and digital consoles, it has an on-off switch on back near USB-C input. This saves power while not in use for daily gaming and allow you to turn it on and off. Simply place 2 PS5 controllers onto the charger dock and the PS5 remote start to be charged. A bright LED indicator will show the charging status. Charging lights on the front. Unlike the official version, it will be indicated with red and blue lights to show if they are charging or fully charged. The unique LED strap on the screen will blink while in charging status. Also, the blue accent lighting on both sides combine to make a nice look with the PS5 controllers. Which controller charging station would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.